Have you ever considered how technology influences the way we grow our food? It's a thought-provoking question, isn't it? Technology, a word often associated with shiny gadgets and complex algorithms, is now playing a pivotal role in an industry as ancient as civilization itself, agriculture. We're standing at an intriguing intersection where the past meets the future, and traditional methods intertwine with digital innovation. In the past, farming was a labor-intensive process, reliant on human strength and the whims of weather. But today, we're witnessing a revolution. The fields are no longer just expanses of green, they're canvas of innovation, painted with the colors of technology. From drones mapping fields and monitoring crop health, to automated irrigation systems that use water with pinpoint precision, the footprints of technology in agriculture are deep and far-reaching. But this journey isn't just about replacing the old with the new. It's about blending the wisdom of traditional farming with the efficiency of modern technology. It's about minimizing waste and maximizing yield. It's about creating a sustainable future for us and for generations to come. In the upcoming scenes, we'll be exploring this fascinating intersection of technology and agriculture in more detail. We'll look at the traditional methods that have served us well for centuries and how they compare to the high-tech farming practices of the 21st century. We'll also delve into the challenges that farmers face when adopting these new technologies and how they're overcoming them. And finally, we'll discuss the delicate balance between old and new and how it's shaping the future of farming. So, if you've ever wondered how a seed becomes a crop, how a farm becomes a food factory, or how a farmer becomes a tech enthusiast, you're in for a treat. The world of farming is changing, and we're excited to take you on this journey. Stay tuned as we delve into the world of farming, both as it was and as it could be. Let's travel back in time to the era of traditional farming, an era where the rhythm of life was dictated by the changing seasons and the rise and fall of the sun. It was a time when farming methods were simple, yet effective. In traditional farming, manual labor was the driving force. Farmers tilled their land with hoes and spades, planted seeds by hand, and harvested crops using simple tools. This was hard, back-breaking work, but it was also incredibly rewarding. Every seed planted and every crop harvested was a testament to the farmer's perseverance and dedication. Animal power was also an integral part of traditional farming. Oxen, horses, and mules were used to pull plows and carts, reducing the workload of the farmer. These animals were not just tools, but partners in the farming process, their strength and endurance vital to the success of the farm. Basic machinery also played a role in traditional farming. The invention of the plow, the sickle, and the threshing machine revolutionized farming, making it more efficient and less laborious. These basic machines were often powered by animal or human force, but they were a significant step forward in farming technology. The advantages of these traditional farming methods lie in their simplicity and sustainability. They required little more than human effort and natural resources, making them accessible to almost anyone. They were also sustainable, with minimal impact on the environment. However, these methods also had their disadvantages. They were labor-intensive and time-consuming, and they often resulted in lower crop yields. Despite the hard work and dedication of the farmers, traditional farming methods were often unable to keep up with the growing demand for food. While these methods have served humanity well for centuries, the advent of technology has provided new possibilities. As we continue our journey through the world of farming, we'll explore how modern technology is reshaping agriculture, offering new solutions to old problems, and creating opportunities for sustainable and efficient farming. Now, let's fast forward to the present day, where technology is playing a pivotal role in agricultural processes. In the world of modern farming, the landscape is quite different from the traditional methods we've just explored. Today, farmers are harnessing the power of technology to increase efficiency and improve crop quality. Let's delve into some of these technological innovations that are making waves in the agricultural sector. First up, we have drones. These flying machines are not just toys for tech enthusiasts anymore. They've become invaluable tools in the field of agriculture. Farmers use drones to monitor crop health, track livestock, and even spray pesticides. They offer a bird's-eye view of the farm, which can be instrumental in identifying issues early and addressing them promptly. Next, we have global positioning systems, or GPS. Yes, the same technology that helps us navigate our cars is now helping farmers steer their tractors. GPS allows for precision farming, where farmers can apply fertilizers and pesticides in exact quantities and at precise locations. This not only reduces waste, but also minimizes the environmental impact. Speaking of precision farming takes this concept to a whole new level. By using data collected from various sensors and satellite imagery, farmers can understand their fields in great detail. This knowledge helps them make informed decisions about when to plant, when to irrigate, and when to harvest. The result? Higher yields and better quality crops. And then there's vertical farming. This innovative method involves growing crops in stacked layers, often in controlled environments like buildings or shipping containers. It's a brilliant solution to the problem of limited arable land, and it allows for year-round farming, regardless of the weather. These technological innovations have undeniably transformed the face of farming. They've increased efficiency, reduced labor, and improved crop quality. But as with any major shift, there are challenges to consider. Clearly, technology has revolutionized farming, but it's not without its challenges. While the benefits of technology in agriculture are evident, there are also significant barriers to its adoption. In an ideal world, every farm would be equipped with the latest tech innovations, from drone surveillance systems to AI-enabled soil analysis tools. Yet, reality is often far from this idyllic vision. The challenges hindering the widespread adoption of technology in farming are numerous and multifaceted, with high costs being a primary deterrent. For many farmers, the price tag attached to cutting-edge tech can be daunting. The initial investment required for purchasing and installing advanced farming equipment can run into tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of pounds. Add to that the recurring cost of maintenance, upgrades, and software subscriptions, and it quickly becomes clear why many farms stick to traditional methods. Lack of technical knowledge is another significant hurdle. Many farmers, particularly those from older generations, may lack the necessary skills to operate sophisticated technological systems. This knowledge gap can make it difficult for them to fully utilize the potential of these tools, and can even lead to costly mistakes. Let's not forget the elephant in the room: data privacy. Farming technology often involves collecting and analyzing vast amounts of data. This raises valid concerns about who owns this data, how it is used, and how it is protected. These concerns can dissuade farmers from embracing technology, for fear of their data being misused or falling into the wrong hands. So how do we overcome these barriers? The solution lies in a multifaceted approach that includes making technology more affordable, offering training and support to farmers, and implementing robust data privacy measures. Governments, tech companies, and farming organizations all have a role to play in this endeavor. Overcoming these challenges is essential for the future of farming, but it's a complex task that requires a multifaceted approach. So where does this leave us in terms of the future of farming? The vision of the future of farming is not about completely replacing the old with the new, but rather about finding a balance between the two. It's about merging the wisdom of traditional farming methods with the precision and efficiency of modern technology. Consider the old ways of farming, a practice steeped in generations of knowledge and understanding. This wisdom, passed down through the ages, appreciates the rhythms of nature, the nuances of soil, and the symbiotic relationship between various elements of an ecosystem. It's a holistic approach that respects the earth it nurtures. Now, bring in the new. Modern technological innovations have the potential to enhance these traditional methods, not eradicate them. Smart farming technologies like precision agriculture, automated machinery, and data analytics can help farmers make informed decisions, optimize resources, and increase productivity. But it's not just about increasing yield, it's also about sustainability. With the help of technology, we can make agriculture more environmentally friendly. We can use less water, less fertilizer, and reduce our carbon footprint, all while maintaining or even increasing the quality of our produce. This is not a call to abandon the plow and spade for drones and robots, but rather a call to integrate them. Let's use technology to augment, not replace, the practices that have served us well for centuries. We need to leverage the strengths of both worlds, combining the human touch with technological precision. The key is to strike a balance that respects and values the knowledge and wisdom of our past, while also embracing the possibilities of our future. a balance that ensures we don't lose our connection with the land even as we harness the power of technology to make farming more sustainable and efficient. As we continue to innovate, it's crucial that we remember our roots and strive for a balance that respects both the past and the future of farming.